This is Mike and Dave with the credit team. We're here with Sharnice. She just recently purchased her house and she went through our credit repair process. We're going to get her to tell us how everything went and how she enjoyed the new house.
So, Miss Sharnice, how did you hear about us? And what was the process like once you first got started?
My credit had been bad for a pretty long time because I just let it fall by the wayside and I was ready to stop renting and buy a home. So I reached out to Dave to see what could be done to improve my credit. So I sent him all of my information, and basically within about 30 to 60 days, well actually within 30 days, I saw immediate turnaround, and then within 60 days, I saw my credit improve more than about 75 points.
75 points?
Can you give us a story about Chase Bank?
Well, Chase Bank was actually one of the first accounts to be removed within the 30 days. I actually called in to make a payment because it wasn't showing up on the internet anymore when I logged into my account. So I called them to see how I could make a payment or what was going on with my account. They did some investigation, transferred me to a few different departments, and basically stated that I was no longer responsible for the account. So I didn't have to make any more payments.
You sure?
I'm positive.
Did you call back again?
I did not call back again.
What was your, how was the process of buying a house? Was it a huge down payment or was it a low interest rate? How was that part with the underwriting process?
Actually, when I found my new realtor, she referred me to her lender to put in an application.
What's the lender called?
My lender is the mortgage firm, and my realtor was Janae Thomas here in Orlando. After I sent in all of my information, I actually got a really good interest rate. My interest rate is 3.6%. And I only ended up putting down maybe about $7,000. And I was expected to put down a lot more, but with my credit and my interest rate and closing costs being paid, I had to come out of pocket a lot lower than I expected.
All right, bet. So when you started seeing the deletions, what was your reaction?
You can ask his wife, my friend. I was sending her screenshots what is going on? My credit score is improving. And I kept getting, I'm on all the credit monitoring sites. So they kept sending me notifications your credit score has changed or something has changed on your credit report. And I just started seeing things drop off my credit report. All of my student loans got deleted. Like he said, a Chase Bank account got deleted. A lot of my late payments got deleted. So yeah, that really helped improve my credit score overall. And my credit score, even after the process of filing with a few lenders, I actually applied with a few lenders and actually got a credit card immediately after closing.
We forgot about that.
And my credit score is still in the 700s. So
what you get approved for?
I got approved with Navy Federal immediately for over $7,000.
Yeah. So you're telling me you got a new house, new credit card. What's next?
A new car.
New car. Oh, I was about to ask you about that. With your new credit score, do you now understand the power of having a good credit score, and did we even help you understand credit more?
Yeah, and I was reaching out to Dave a lot through text message, should I be doing this or should I not be doing this or what should I do next? I definitely believe credit is king. I know a lot of people will dispute that, but you can come into a lot of places with a good credit score and leave without putting anything down, and that's what I'm hoping to do on my new car.
What kind of car you want?
I want a Lexus.
Oh, what year? Don't tell me.
I would like brand new, but I just know that I want some type of SUV, so I'm good with that.
What type of advice would you give somebody in the process of fixing their credit? And
I would definitely say seek professional help with people like the credit team.
Okay.
I know a lot of people out there will say that you can do it yourself, but it is tedious. It does take a lot of time. So if you just don't have that type of time on your hands, then definitely reach out for help. Patience as well. It doesn't change overnight. So you definitely need patience. And I don't think I could have made a better decision than to get my credit repaired.
I'm Mike. This is Dave with the credit team. Thank you, Sharnice, for letting us into your beautiful new home.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
For more information, you can go to our website, thecreditteam.org. You can go to my Facebook or Dave's Facebook. His Instagram is another way you can contact him.
Yeah, and through email, dave@thecreditteam.org or michael@thecreditteam.org or support@thecreditteam.org. If you got any more questions, just book a call. We'll get to you. Looking forward to helping you out with the credit payment process. Credit team out.
Thank you, credit team, for helping me get my beautiful home, but y'all gotta go.